Hello, you guys. Thank you so much for clicking. I hope you guys have been enjoying this quarantine week of videos. So we starting out with skincare. We all in the house looking a mess or looking heavy looking. I feel like I'm looking a mess. So I'm going to include skincare in this to start out with. That was the Trader Joe's antioxidant serum. And now this is the Trader Joe's gel like moisturizer, which I really enjoy. If you haven't checked out my skincare routine, girl, I will link it below, link it above. But these are the products that I've been using and I've been loving, and it hasn't been doing my skin, you know, it's been doing my skin good. And I've been enjoying this eye cream as well. This one is the one from Origins. Ooh, I forget the name, but it's like coffee or something, energizing. I'll list all the products below. But I wanted to go ahead and liven up the skin. We are in the house, but I do feel like it's important to still try to do your skincare routine at least a few days out the week. I understand, girl, we're not going to be getting up doing the most every day. I mean, I'm not. I don't know about you. If you have that discipline, that's great. Now moving on to the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. I have that all in and I'm locking all the moisture in with a little bit of facial spray. Now, girl, we're moving on to browns. You already know. I mean, a lot of times I use different products all the time and then I ask you guys for recommendations because I need to switch it up. I don't feel like that about the brow pencil. I love the Benefit Brow Pencil. The Benefit Brow products always come through. If they can't do nothing else, they can do a brow product. And that's on period. No, but this is precisely my brow pencil in 4.5 like I always use. I do sometimes use 4 and I do sometimes use 5, but 4.5 is my go-to. I'm just doing nice light strokes up and through the brow just to create that shape, define it a little bit more. And I'm then going to set that and define the brow a little bit more with some powder. This is from Anastasia, the powder in dark brown. I like to go in with the pencil and the powder sometimes. That's how I get my snatch look. I hardly ever use like a dip brow or a pomade. I do have the Benefit brow. I should try it one day to be honest. But I just love a pencil by itself or a powder and a pencil. No, that's my go-to. And I really love the combo. Okay, moving on to skin, starting out with my usual, the Milk Hydro Primer. I did go ahead and outline the brows like I usually do. So these are the finished brows. But you're just going to apply the primer and rub that in. Y'all know the usual. This one is a nice sticky primer, so I like to rub it in and then I tap it. Make sure it got the stickiness going on before I apply my foundation. And for foundation today, you guys already know I'm going to use the Fenty foundation. Now, this is something that if you guys have a new foundation that you are loving, comment down below and let me know. I do feel like I need to try a new one. This is my favorite though, and I'm going to always use the Fenty, but I do want to switch it up for the video sake because I be editing and I'm like, dang, I use the Fenty again. I know I'm getting on y'all nerve. I'm getting on my damn nerve. When I edit it, I'm using the same stuff. But yes, oh, actually today, Dose of Colors has like 50% off their foundation and concealer. Have anybody tried that? Comment down below and let me know. I tried to find my shade like when it first launched because I love Dose of Colors. They stuff are usually like the products are usually good. But yes, comment down below if you have a new favorite foundation that I should check out. Let me know. Let me know in the comments below. And for concealer today, I'm going to use my favorite mixture, which is Fenty Concealer in 330 and 310. 330 is more of like a corrective shade for me. It's closer to my skin tone, so it doesn't give me too much of a highlight. And it just conceals. And then the 310 serves up me a little bit of more highlight glow. And yeah, I love this combination. To blend this out, I decided to use like a little blending brush, like an eyeshadow brush, just to get a precise blend. I don't know. That's the mood that I was in, girl. We not in a rush, clearly. So I'm like, let me grab this little small brush and blend it out. Brushes, I like to blend out concealer with a brush. Sometimes a sponge. Either one works, but a nice, small, precise brush is really good, especially for the forehead when you're around these brows and down the nose and things like that. So I'm just going to blend this out. Also, how are you guys doing during the quarantine? I hope all of your family is healthy. I hope you are felt healthy. And I hope, you staying positive in the house. I don't know, is everybody on lockdown? Everything is different in every state, so I'm not sure. But sending you guys love and light. You gotta stay strong during this time. This too shall pass, y'all. I hope it passes soon because I'm ready to pop out. You hear me? I'm ready to get outside. But yes, hope everything is going well for you guys and this week is going past smoothly. We're going to get to April 30th together. But yes, as you can see, this is the shade 330 still and the difference in both eyes and how it covers. Now I'm going in here with 310, just really under my eyes. And I probably put a little bit on my forehead. Yeah. And I'm just going to blend that out like I usually do. Do you guys like blending with the brush? I usually like a brush or a sponge, like I was just saying. Comment down below, let me know what's your favorite way to blend out your concealer. Also, if you have not subscribed and given this video a thumbs up, please hit the thumbs up or the like right now. I feel like my likes be kind of low, and it's cool because I keep going because, I don't be doing this stuff for validation. However, I will really appreciate it if you do hit the like button, if you liking my videos, and if you're actually watching them. Just go ahead and hit that like button. It helps me a whole lot. Really trying to keep going with this YouTube thing, girl, because it be a little bit extra trying to fight with this algorithm and who going up, and you gotta be, girl, I'm not even gonna say what it seems like you gotta be nowadays to, make it far on YouTube. However, let's just get back to the makeup. This is me just setting my face using the Laura Mercier powder, which has really been my go-to lately. And then you already know, Sephora Micro Smooth in the shade 1035. Just got to set the face. It's always important to set your face because it just balances everything out. If you're getting like of the translucent powder somewhere, it could show up with a little bit of flashback. If you don't, go over it with a face powder that's, the same shade as your face. So that's why I love this step. This is a very important step because I've learned from mistakes of not doing this and taking a picture with flash and looking like Casper. Okay. Not all the way Casper, just a little bit off. This helps it not be off, basically. Okay, now we're going to do a little bit of cream contour, which I probably forgot that I was going to do this because I usually do this before I set. But luckily, the Fenty sticks, they work good. They kind of like a cream to powder formula. It's not like really liquid, but it does deposit a really good amount of color and contour color. This is in the shade Truffle. I'm just going to apply this everywhere I usually do. You already know. And then we want to go ahead and set that and just add a little bit more color to the face with the Fenty Beauty Caramel Cutie bronzer. Has anybody came out with new bronzers lately that y'all been feeling? I mean, I seen the Morphe ones, but they was looking like real red. And I was just like, shrug. But outside of that, any other bronzers that y'all feel like should be on my radar, some that you've tried out and love, let me know in the comments below. I'm asking for a lot from y'all in the comments, but I really want to know, like, we at home, we chilling. So to me, like, I don't know, I've been on YouTube looking at stuff and all I got is time. Okay, so I feel like hopefully y'all got a little bit of time to let me know your favorite products. And just to talk to each other and to me in the comments because, let's just create a community here and stay positive in these streets. And that's on period. I'm also going to go ahead and use the bronzer on my eyes because we're doing a very simple look. Y'all know Alyssa over here on ChicMarieB channel, we love skin. Skin is always in, period. So I'm going to start doing a little bit more colorful eyeshadow looks and just to make it pop and just have something different on my channel. But today, girl, for this quarantine beat, we're going in with this bronzer on our eyes, period. And I think I'm just going to put a little bit of highlight on the eye as well. And it's just going to pull the entire look together. That's like my favorite go-to technique. Bronzer in the crease, all over the lid. And then the same highlighter that I use on my face, on my lids. And it just makes it look like we tried. And from blush today, I'm using a Milani blush, which I kind of OD'd on, but it's cool. Y'all know blush is usually the first thing to leave, so I love a good Milani blush. A good blush anyway. Like that's my fave. You already know that though. And then we need to spray. We've put so many powders on our face. We're spraying with the MAC Fix Plus. I think this is the coconut one. Girl, the flavor don't matter, or the scent, whatever. Just whichever one you like. Get your facial spray, spray it on diggity down. You hear me? And let that dry a little bit. And that's usually when I like to go in with the highlighter. But I think here I'm about to go in with lashes because they probably was sitting there drying. Yeah. So this is the mascara. MAC Extended Play Fave. I love the brush on this one and the fact that it doesn't transfer. This is why this one is my favorite. If you guys ever wondered what I look for in a mascara, I have tiny eyes and a lot of lashes, and I need a small brush to be able to grab them so I don't get the mascara all over my lids. Now I'm just applying some lashes. I think, girl, I really don't know what lashes these are. I think these are the Kiss Lash Contour, one of the Lash Contour pairs. Which the Kiss lashes are bomb. Like, I feel like Kiss kind of coming from Ardell neck. But girl, they might be made by the same people. Listen, you never really know. Kiss Envy, I Envy, and all that. They be the same people. But very affordable. You can find them at Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, and everything else. And they serve up a very nice look. You don't always have to have like no lily lashes or none of that. But I feel like most of us already know that. Now for highlighter, of course, Dose of Colors. I believe this is Fuego. It might be Fuego. I think the other one name is like Midami. You know it's in another language, child. So listen. But this one is Fuego because it's a little bit brighter. Love the Dose of Colors formula and highlighters. If you have not checked them out, girl, check them out. Especially when they go on sale. I'll be buying everything on sale if y'all didn't know that. So if these ever go on sale, I would definitely recommend picking it up. I mean, it's worth buying it for regular price because it's a fave, but I'm just saying, you know, I'm all about saving the coins. Yes, that highlighter on the nose, it just brings it together. Yeah, my head looking a mess. I'm looking a mess. Oh, anyway, the all-nighter setting spray. I know it's so funny to do all these steps when you like stand in the house, but I just automatically have to do all these steps. Like I can't half do it. I have to just do all the steps. So we're gonna set it down, even though we sitting in the house. And now we're gonna get into the lip. I just put on some clothes. I believe this is BFF3 ColourPop liner. And then I'm going to go on with Dose of Colors, more Creamer Please lipstick. This is my favorite. I love the shade. I love a nice warm like peanut butter brown. And that's what this is. I don't know if they still have this. They probably do on the site. It might be on sale though because it's like very old. Like it was from the Katie Desi collection. I think maybe the first time go around. But yes, I love this. And then I'm going to add a little bit of gloss from Essence. Now, y'all know Essence gloss is the best gloss on the market. And that's on period. So this is the Essence in the shade. I don't know the shade. Check the description box. It's a nice cool tone brown. Love Essence glosses. Like I love it better than any other gloss. But yes, you guys, this is the final quarantine beat down. Okay. Loving it. Look at the skin, how the skin is shining. It's giving a nice dew. But it's not, you know, sweaty looking. It looks flawless. And please keep in mind, we all have flaws. I have moles all over my face, a little bit of acne, some texture. But when you're working with them powders and you blending in that foundation like you're supposed to be doing, you're going to get, you know, as flawless as you can get, especially when you're taking care of your skin as well. So keep that in mind. Give this video a thumbs up. If you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and comment down. I don't know, girl. Comment down whatever you want to comment down. Answer all them questions I was asking y'all, honestly. And I will see you in the next video tomorrow for quarantine week. Holla at your girl.